everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today I have a new dance tutorial for you. So this is Hiphop. So the title of the song is called Same Bitches by Malone. Alright, let's start. Alright, let's start. So for this one, we start, yes, facing to your left. We start 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Throw. You go whoa on 1. 7, 8. This is 1. Clap on 2. Shoulder back. 3 and 4 and 5. Again, sorry. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Push on 7, and 8. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Push and 8. Let's continue. Grab your right 1 and 2 and wheelchair 3, 4. Step to the back 5 and 6 and. So it's very important you hold your hand on 6 and shoulder right to the front 7, 8. One more time. From the beginning. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, and wheelchair 4, 5, and 6. Shoulder 7, 8. Very good. Let's continue from here. 7, 8. This is 1. Close on 2. And side 3 and 4. Right foot, left hand 5 and 6 and. So make sure you go to the front on 6 and. Then this one push to the back and you will turn 7, 8. Reminder, that one is very quick. It goes like this. 7, 1 and 2, 6. So from here, go 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Good. Let's continue. 7, 8. Go 1 and 2. Watch you carefully. 3 and left to the front 4 and step your left to the front, open 6, 7, 8. Let's do it slowly. 5, 6, 7 and go 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Good job. Let's start from the beginning first. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Wheelchair 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, almost. Continue from here. 7, 8. Remember to go back and 7, 8, and go. 1, 2, 3. So your body is going to the front 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Move back. 4. Step 5. Head isolation 6, front 7 and 8. Copy? Let's continue. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Last 4 count. Freestyle. 6, 7, 8. Slow. Yes, that's all the choreography. But before we go on, before we go to review everything from the beginning, let's do it from here. From here. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, back. 4, 5, hit, 7, up. 1, 2, 3, back. Freestyle. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Good job. Let's do everything from the beginning. Alright? Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, and slow. 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Head, chest, last 8. 1, 2, 3. Freestyle. Yes! Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comments on my video. Also, don't forget to press that notification bell so you'll be notified on my future upload. Okay? I'll see you next time. Bye bye.